In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Slack on Windows 11, complete installation. By the end, you'll have Slack ready to go on your PC using the Microsoft Store, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to keep everything smooth and straightforward. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this by clicking the Microsoft Store icon on your taskbar. If you don't see it there, click the Start button and begin typing Microsoft Store, then select it from the results. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since the store needs an active connection to search and download apps. If you're on a work or school device and the store is restricted, you may need permission from your administrator. It's also a good idea to let the store finish any updates it's applying in the background before you proceed, so your download goes faster and more reliably. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store window and type Slack. Press Enter, and you'll see the Slack app appear in the results. Click the Slack listing to open its app page. Here, you can quickly double-check that you're getting the official desktop app for Windows 11 and glance at the app size, recent updates, and system requirements. If multiple results appear, choose the one that clearly identifies the official Slack app. Reading a few recent reviews can also confirm you're on the right track. Now, install Slack. Click the Get or Install button on the Slack app page. The store will start downloading the app and you'll see a progress indicator. Keep the store window open and avoid putting your computer to sleep while the download completes. If prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account, you can proceed if you already use one on this device. Otherwise, many users can install free apps without signing in. Once the download finishes, the button will change to Open. Click Open to launch Slack right away. If you prefer, you can find it later in your Start menu by typing Slack, and you can right-click the icon to pin it to your taskbar for quick access. That's it. Slack is now installed on your Windows 11 PC. From here, you can sign into your workspace, adjust notification preferences, and customize how Slack starts with Windows. If you run into issues, ensure your internet connection is stable, free up a little disk space if the download stalls, and check for Windows updates before trying again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Slack setup.